Alright, so the Ford Fiesta customer who was at Valvoline for an oil change with the clogged wiper cowl video authorized us lubricating the driver's door and trying to figure out why that creaks and also what air door actuator was clicking in the dash. So I just finished the wiper cowl video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out, because your vehicle does require maintenance under the hood besides the engine. And that was just simple cleaning out the clogged wiper cowl. I mean, she just had her oil changed. It says 104. She just had her oil changed done. So she's at 104,225, and the Valvoline sticker is 107. So 3,000 miles is what they wrote the sticker for, is what I suspect. So they just did that. I don't think she was aware that the air door actuator was clicking. How would you? You're not seeing a real mechanic for repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance. You need a good mechanic to keep an eye on your car. So they didn't identify the air door actuator clicking, I'm sure. The driver's door was creaking and clicking. And then the wiper cowl was clogged. They actually got the oil change, right? Kudos to them. So she approved the wiper cowl clean out, diag the door. So now as I'm moving in maintenance here, right? There's hinges here that have never been greased or lubricated. But also the, you hear it? So I used PB Blaster to lubricate the top and bottom hinges. I don't see any powdered rust. And also the door check here, the pin has wear in it. But I also noticed that the door hinge isn't bolted in. So let me zoom in. And since I'm not her regular mechanic, I don't get a chance to keep an eye on her car. There you go. Does that show it? Let me get you a better view. Let me zoom out. All right, for camera purposes, I'm going to flip the camera. Let's zoom in. So you see that right here? That bolt's not tight. That bolt up there, it looks tight, but now I need to go in here and check it because this isn't my work and I don't know what's going on. So I want to give the customer some answers, right? But if the door breaks, you know what it costs to fix a door? Ridiculous. So I don't know what size it is. Hopefully I grabbed the right size. Of course not. That's a 12. It's got to be a 10. So let me go grab some wrenches and then we'll do the repair together. Kayla's finishing up the flex pipes. Ant's getting ready to make a scrap run. You have one of my wrenches out? You have an 18 speed out? Not put back. I'll give you 2 guesses. Would you be willing to guess it was cam or cam? All right, so now we're back. So let's see, was I right with a 10? Yeah, it was a 10. So I don't know why that was loose. So was the car in an accident before and the body shop didn't do their job? How would I know? Because this customer doesn't come here all the time. So that other noise, so the main noise is gone. The door check is making noise. So the main noise is done. Door closes and we don't have any issues there. So I don't know why it was left loose. But you saw it here first, dude. Yeah, that's in the check arm. So the creaking is pretty much resolved, but the door check is worn out. And the hinges are lubricated at least. All right, so you guys got to see a little bit of the door maintenance here in Diagnostic. This is the cards I'm dealt, and this is the content that you get to see. Thanks for watching.